Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure external issues aren't the problem. Check Xbox Live status and that your internet actually works. Once confirmed, switch to wired Ethernet if available and reboot your modem and router to refresh the IP lease. Then power cycle the Xbox, hold the guide button for 10 seconds and remove power for 30 seconds to clear transient faults. After restarting, make sure the console installs any pending updates. This fixes compatibility and networking bugs that commonly block live access. Once the console is back online, run the built-in network test so you can see NAT type and packet loss numbers. These tell you whether routing or ISP issues persist. If NAT is strict, assign a static IP to the Xbox or configure DHCP reservation on your router and enable UPnP to open ports automatically. Manually set DNS to reliable addresses like 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 when troubleshooting, because DNS failures can prevent sign-in and store access. If problems remain, clear the system cache again and delete any corrupt profiles, then sign in and re-download your profile so credentials refresh. As a last resort, perform a factory reset using the Keep Games and Apps option so you don't lose content while restoring system files. After that, sign in and test live features. Troubleshooting tip: if NAT or connectivity still fails, switch to a wired connection and confirm UPnP or port forwarding with your ISP or router admin. This often resolves stubborn blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.